Uh, Good evening, friends. I am just showing the steps as to how to post the scores. For example, I had taken the test today in the morning, in fact, not test, assessment in the morning for class 9. Right, I'll click on this. It takes me here to the responses. I will click here on the responses. Now, we all know how to go to the settings. We'll go to the settings. Over here, on the settings, we will first thing which you have to take care is this one response per person should always be ticked, because in the evening when we post the results we have to click on the accept responses. Now when we click on the accept responses, if this is not clicked, the child can attempt the assessment again. So be sure that one person, one response is activated, it is ticked, it is checked. Now here comes the start date. For example, now I want the children to see the result today at around 9. So I will change the time here and make it 9 and maybe till 10 o'clock. In case you're not able to set for 10 minutes or half an hour or so, you can make it 1 hour. No problems in that. Now the settings has been done. So on this date from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. the children will be allowed to see the result. Come back to the responses. Here you can see the post scores. Click here post scores. As soon as you click post scores, you will see that this type of screen will come which will have these check boxes which will be unchecked. You will check that particular student's box for which you want to send the result. I want to send for all, so instead of individually checking these boxes, we'll check over here. All get selected. Here there are only 2 students because I have already posted this result in the morning, and once the result is posted, this is how it is going to come. After you have checked these boxes, you will say post scores. Right? First post scores. I'll go back again, I'll show you again. Responses, post scores, check the box. After that again you will say post scores. Okay, I am not clicking this because otherwise this result will again go to those children. And now how do the children see the result? You will ask the children to click on the same link which you had given to them in the morning for attempting this assessment. It is the same link. Now maybe you have given half an hour for children to see the result. Then you will open that form again, go to this option settings again, and again accept responses has to be deactivated because you were not able to set for half an hour, so 1 hour you have given. Deactivate this. Now the children cannot see this again. Another important thing, now we are sharing 2 links. One was the link here, this was the link which was shared with the children. Okay, this was the link which was shared with the children, and this is the link which you have shared with the invigilator. What is the use of this link? This collaborate link will make the teacher the owner of that form. So when she clicks on this link, she will be able to make changes in your form. So what you have to do as an invigilator, this link you will click wherever it is in the WhatsApp or in the chat, wherever you have kept, you will click on this link. As soon as you click on this link, you will get the original form and you will become the owner of the form. Now when you get this, you have to just check in the settings that all these settings have been done. What are the settings? Only people in my organization can respond. Record name has to be clicked. 1 response per person has to be clicked, because if this is not clicked, then the children can attempt the assessment more than once. Then you will also see that accept responses is activated and the time is set, which means the assessment starts at 9. So see to it that this is set at 9 p.m. One response per person. And this, if you are able to set, it will already be set by the teacher. You have to just check whether these things are proper or not. In case it is not, then you can change the things. You are the owner of this form and you can change the things. So kindly check before giving the link to the children. Open the form for yourself. First, results, show the results automatically. This has to be deactivated. This has to be activated. Only people in my organization can respond. Record name, one response per person. Accept responses, start date. In the evening, you will set this date according to the time for which you have given to your students to see the result. Right? Thank you so much.